If knowledge is a power, then learning is a superpower. These words by Jim Quick emphasize the importance of acquiring knowledge. Yet, they are rarely quoted in the embedded AI community. In fact, edge learning, or in other words, training on device, is not something that is typically recognized as a superpower. So let's see whether with this talk we can change this perception. My name is Vera Serdiukova, and I've been building products with edge learning capabilities since 2014. I have witnessed companies burn millions of dollars on edge AI with a zero return on investment, as well as edge learning revitalizing products and businesses. So today, I will share my insights on how to derive business value from learning at the edge. Learning at the edge is a topic that deserves a summit of its own, but we only have 20 minutes. So today, we'll focus on 3 points: goals, fit, and execution. By the end of this talk, you will know how to decide whether edge learning is a good fit for your needs and how to make it a success. But before we move on, let's make sure that we are on the same page and clarify the definitions. For this talk, we define an edge device as a device whose compute, memory, and energy resources are constrained and cannot be easily changed. And by learning, we mean training of a machine learning model on the constrained resources of the device. To a man with a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Unfortunately, this old adage describes a large portion of decision-making in tech. Solutions looking for a problem. I could go on a sales pitch touting learning at the edge as a panacea for any tech or business problem. This could make me look more visionary, but would be less useful for you. So instead, I want to show you how to avoid a technology-first approach and actually extract some business value from edge learning applications.